My name is Scrubzah, and I'm about to enter the spice zone of the world's spiciest chicken wing. Alright, Scrubs, I'm about to risk my life and attempt to eat the world's spiciest wings. I had to sign a waiver before I bought these wings. They are extremely dangerous, so I want to make a disclaimer. Do not attempt this challenge. These wings are the suicide wings. They're coated with Carolina Reaper pepper extract. That is the world's spiciest pepper. That is 2.2 million Scoville units, but the extract is on roids. It is 10 million Scoville units. Last time I ate the one chip that was extremely spicy. Guys, I was in pain. If you haven't seen that video, make sure you go check it out. So this time, like I said, world's spiciest wings. So Scrubs, if you haven't already, subscribe right now. Turn on post notifications. And last but not least, please go down below and scrub the like button. Let's try and get 10,000 likes on this video. So Scrubs, let's start this challenge. Alright Scrubs, so I picked up the wings right here. Let's check these out. Alright, check this out. Carolina Reaper wings. Look at the sauce. They are red. Hot like fire, guys. I don't know what's gonna happen. There's a bunch of wings here. I got 2 pounds of the world's spiciest wings. So I have to eat all of these. Is there like a timer? All right, I'll have a stopwatch to see how fast I can finish these wings, but before I eat them, I need just to get ready. So I might need some milk, some ice cream, a drink. Let's just get that ready. All right, so let's get the milk. Oh yeah, I leave the milk in the oven. Very simple, as well as my ice cream, so hopefully it's not hot. All right, so I got the milk and ice cream. I got the wings right here. Just get a close up on these one more time before I attempt to eat these. I don't know if I can eat all of them. Woo! Yo, I'm nervous. I'm already sweating out here. All right, one last time. Scrub the like button. I'm about to risk my life. Let's do this. I gotta make sure not to touch my face because that is going to burn. All right, so I got a timer right here. I got the wing right here. My name is Scrubzah, and I'm about to enter the spice zone of the world's spiciest chicken wing. 3, 2, 1, go! Woo! Ah! Yo, that one burned. One down. Ah, look at all that sauce. Ah, I recognize the taste. That's Carolina Reaper.
How is it?
I'm down here. That was Carolina Reaper.
Oh, I forgot to press record.
Stop. Now to finish it off completely.
Yeah, what is this? You gotta clean them up more. Clean them up.
Yo, I'm actually dying here now.
Is it actually spicy?
The spice is building up around my lips. Oh my God. I don't need any ice cream yet. Yo, I already feel it burning my stomach.
Man, that smells pretty strong.
Look at all the salt. Look at this.
What is this?
What do you mean?
Clean that up.
This?
No, not that one. That one.
What? No.
No, this one.
Yo! This one?
Yeah, that one.
I just can't handle that.
He's already grabbing the milk.
Yo.
What is this? That was only like 5. And he's already grabbing the milk.
I swear it wasn't bad in the beginning, but it just built up. I gotta finish this. Alright, my eyes are sweating, guys. I'm not crying. My eyes are just sweating. My nose is actually running too. How much is there left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I think there was at least 20 wings. There was at least 20 wings here. Woo! Guys.
So you're calling out Mass Tony or what?
Yeah. I think my sweaty already did this. This guy like ate a whole bunch of these. Oh, how long? 3 minutes? You'll feel it forever.
That's 4 minutes.
No, it's 3. Look at now, it's almost 4 minutes.
4 minutes and like 6 seconds.
I need ice cream. I can't open it. I'm actually in pain right now. My nose will stop dripping. Woo! Yo!
What?
I saw that. Fine. Oh, this looks so good.
Oh.
Oh, that's so good.
Oh, come here. Give us an ASMR. Oh. One more time. Yeah, I don't think the ice cream's helping. It's making it like worse. Oh. Do you feel like you just went to hell and back?
Like I've been somewhere hotter than hell. Alright, because I have 10 wings left. I got this. I think I just got. Let's just continue.
You got this. 9 more.
The sauce is like infused in it now. Look, fast way to eat a wing. Like this and like this. Boom!
Oh, you spilled it on yourself.
Whoops. I'm actually choking here. I don't know if I can. Oh, my stomach. My stomach's burning. Why? Woo!
Alright, let's see how many left. Ooh, 5 more.
5 more?
6.
6 more. I think this is worse than the one chip. I don't know why. I think there's so much to eat. Well, the one chip, I didn't even complete the one chip. I took a bite and it burnt my mouth. I'm almost done. I think I can do this. Hopefully I don't throw up.
Just go full Matt Stoney on this. Just take one after another. Let's go.
4 wings left.
Trust me, if you take one after another, it won't be as spicy.
Yeah, look at the tears in my eyes. You can't just make yourself cry. It has to be something really spicy to make yourself cry. Okay, full Matt Stoney. Ready? 2, hey!
Alright, you're at 8 minutes.
Oh! On to under 10.
Under 10, you can do it. Easy.
Bro. It hurts my stomach.
Let's go. One more. Let's go.
Last swing. Oh, the sauce.
Jeez. Come on, you got this. This last one and you're done.
Scrub the like button. Let's do this.
Oh, ding. Stop. 9 minutes, 20 seconds. Right under the 10-minute mark, like you wanted.
It's not gone though, that's the problem. My lips all swollen. My eyes are watering. My mouth burns. And my stomach's on fire. Please do not attempt this challenge. I actually finished it. Look, does that count? I actually finished it.
Yeah,
does that count?
That does count.
Good.
Under 9 minutes, 20 seconds.
All done, all complete. Look at that sauce. Woo! Alright, Scrubs, so I finished this challenge. It's been like 5 minutes so far since I completed it. I finished it in like 9 minutes. For some reason, the pain is getting worse. I don't know if it's like that. I think the Carolina Reaper activates like that. I think like later on, the heat progresses. Because my lips are in pain right now. My mouth's on fire, and my stomach's on fire. I'm not trying to think about it. But hopefully you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below what spicy challenge you want to see next. Also, big shout out to Almo TV. Go check out the channel, link down below.
Alright, it's Shinoda Vibes. If you want to see me do this challenge, let Scrubzah know to tell me, to tell you, to tell me to actually do this.
I want you to do this challenge. You have to do this challenge.
I'll only do it if this video gets 10,000 likes.
Alright, perfect. Alright, Scrubs, 10,000 likes and Ahmed will do this challenge. He'll have to eat these wings. He'll feel the pain that I just went through. But anyways, make sure you go check out my second channel and download my app. Search Scrubs in the App Store. Alright, don't forget to scrub the like button, scrub the comment section, and last but not least, scrub the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next one. Keep scrubbing.